Now this is how you can change the time limit password on the iPad. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So it's part of the main settings app where you proceed to the screen time as usual, or with this case, we just go to this section, and if you have any passcode in place, you can scroll down and find it right here. So I'm gonna show you how you can set up the passcode at first, and then how you can change it. Right, so if you don't have any passcode set up, you just click on lock screen time settings, type in a 4-digit code, confirm it again, and it's going to ask you if you want to add some kind of recovery email, right? So you're going to set up a custom recovery email, which is going to be used to reset the password in case you forget it. But you can click on cancel. You can skip this, right? So you can literally skip it like that. And now you have a passcode, which is part of this screen time section. So if you want to change it, you just go in here and tap on a change. And you can see that I can click on change like that. But it asks me to enter the old code. So if you know it, if you remember it, no problem. Just type that in, and then you will have the ability to set up a new one, right? So that's how you can change the password for this. But if you forgot it, you can click on forgot passcode and type in the recovery email, which we added before, or just type in your current Apple ID to reset it. So you can type in, depends on how you set it up before. So you can either type in the email that you added here or your own Apple ID account to reset it. And this is going to give you the ability to change the password even without remembering the old one. Because, it's a code which you don't really use on a daily basis. So I know that it happens that it's possible to be forgotten. So that's why the option is right here. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I hope that I was able to assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.